If you've driven on Johns Island lately, you've probably noticed the traffic. One of the biggest reasons I am seeing buyers explore Ravenel is simply because they want a beautiful home without sitting in traffic every day. Johns Island is a wonderful place to live, but the area has grown and so has the traffic. Many buyers are finding themselves spending more time in traffic and paying significantly more for their home. That is why more people are taking a closer look at T Farm in Ravenel. At T Farm by Ashton Woods, buyers are discovering beautiful designed homes, community amenities, and the opportunity to own a brand new home at a monthly payment that can often be compared to or even less than what they're paying elsewhere. Many of our single-family homes are available in the low to mid 400s, giving buyers the opportunity to own a home without stretching their budget. Another reason why buyers are choosing T Farm is Ashton Woods itself. Ashton Woods is known for its quality construction, its floor plans, its curated design collections that make it even easier to create a home that feels personalized and unique. If you're tired of sitting in Johns Island traffic and wondering what other options are available, I would love to show you why so many buyers are taking a closer look at T Farm. Schedule a tour using the link in the description, or you can call or text me at 843-718-4285. I look forward to meeting you. I'm Nancy Walsh, Community Sales Manager at T Farm by Ashton Woods, and I would love the opportunity to help you discover everything this community has to offer. Let's plan your visit.